Welcome to the channel, Narf Builders, and I hope that you would subscribe and like the videos. I'm gonna do some more videos of build series like this. This is what we do every day, but we do a lot of different projects, and I'd like for y'all all to follow along and see what we can do. Help me out. But today yesterday we got here kind of early, but the building showed up late. Wasn't able to get a lot completed. We really didn't start standing the frame until after lunch, around 12:30. We took an early lunch because the building showed up so late. But my goal today is to get the rest of it framed. We got a lot of the building area back here framed. Nothing's tight, nothing's level. Just standing with all the bolts finger tight. We got some cables on it holding it somewhat. But today we got the shelter edition. You can see there's no concrete. This is just for the tractor storage, things of that nature. But our goal today is to get all that framed, and hopefully before we leave we can get it square, racked, and tight. Let's build it. We bolt our rafters together at the ridge on the ground first, and then we take the straps and pick it over the lift. It's coming together this morning. Got a lot of our walls done in the back. 2 guys working over there, 2 guys working on these